Hey guys, this is Fundo on Shupagama. Tonight on Uzalo, Gingy finally meet the ministerial Putin, and it seems like Putin is Mtambisi, and it seems like Gingy does not know that Mtambisi is the big man in Guamashu, and Mtambisi comes to collect his money on Gingy. While Pastor Kuala reject an ex-lover apologize after Nosipho make a big mistake for not telling Pastor Kuala she is pregnant and the child is for Mondli. Mrs. Madlala kidnapper raised the stakes high when Madongwe got 50,000 to pay for Madlala, and Kunze wants to find the kidnappers of Madlala. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Yeah, for thanks.